We're going to add one final case to our big switch case block up here in Redraw tapped. I'll say there is case 5, and that will call draw images and text, like that. Because of course, no discussion of core graphics will be useful without telling you how to draw images and text in your context. Now you'll be pleased to know that NS attributed string, a class we've used previously, is perfectly valid here. You can create one of these things with a string and a dictionary of attributes and draw that directly to a core graphics context. But I do want to show you something new. So I'll show you how to use NS mutable paragraph style. So I mentioned previously in an earlier challenge. This will let us modify our text so it's aligned centrally, or left or right or justified or similar. So let's try it out now. I'll go down here and I'll copy this last method, draw lines, to my pasteboard and paste it in and rename this thing to be func draw images and text. And I'll scrap all the code inside our render enclosure. So we keep making the renderer, starting drawing, and assign that to our image view. This bit in here is new. First, we'll try out NS mutable paragraph style. We'll say let paragraph style equals an NS mutable paragraph style. And inside there, I'll say paragraph style dot. And you can see some of the options this thing gives us. Things like what's the hyphenation factor? How do we break lines? What's our line spacing? It's all available right here to work with. The one I'm going to choose is alignment. How do we text align this piece of text? And I'll say we're going to use dot center, like that. So let's center align text. Next, we'll wrap that in a dictionary of NS attributed string keys. We'll say let attrs is a dictionary where the keys are NS attributed string dot key, and the values are any. And I'll provide this thing with two values. The first one will be a font, which will be UI font dot system font of size 36, so nice and big. The second one will be dot paragraph style, and that's going to be our paragraph style we just made a minute earlier. So those are our attributes. Let's now make a Swift string we can draw with. We'll say let string equals, and I'll use a quote from Burns, the best laid schemes, or, and a line break, mice and men, gang, aft, agley. If you aren't familiar with Burns, what it's saying is that no matter how hard you try, even our best schemes of mice and men, i.e. big things and small things, often go wrong. If you've read John Steinbeck's book of Mice and Men, that's where the name comes from. So now we have some attributes, and we have a string to draw. We'll now combine those together into an attributed string we can draw into our context. I'll say let attributed string equals a new NS attributed string. And I'll say for the string is our string we just made. And for the attributes, we'll use our attrs dictionary we just made, like that. And now for the important part. We want to draw that into our context. And that's as easy as saying attributed string dot draw. And you'll see there are a few options here. Draw at point, draw in rect, and draw with CG rect with options and similar. I'm going to use the with option, just so you can see the various things we can do with this thing. So first, a rectangle to draw inside. I'll say our rectangle is CG rect. And for the X, I'll say 32, Y 32, width 448, and height 448. So it's pulled in from the edges of our rectangle just slightly. For options, there are a few of these things you can work with, but the one most people use is called uses line fragment origin, which lets us do line wrapping more easily. And for the context, I'll just say nil. No context. And finally, with our text drawn, let's load our mouse picture we imported right at the beginning of the project and draw that as well. I'll say let mouse equals a UI image named mouse. And mouse question mark dot draw at the CG point X 300 Y 150. So load and draw the mouse. Okay, let's give that a try and see how this thing looks. I press Command R to build and run the code. There's our square, our circle, our checkerboard, our squares, our lines, and now, boom, center text, the best laid schemes of mice and men going after Glay, plus our nice big mouse picture.